Hello, welcome. This is the first video on the channel. Today I'm painting a Robocop bus from Sanix. To start, I use Chaos Black as a primer. I then use Monument Hobbies Bright Warm Grey to base coat the flesh for the face. Using a hairdryer to speed up the drying process, I then applied Valeria liquid mask. This will mask off the face, ready for the main base coat for the armor and rubber parts. I then use Valeria Model Air Chrome. The airbrush I use is an AK Interactive baseline with a 3.0 needle. The PSI was set to about 15. A hairdryer was used to dry this coat. I then used Monument Hobbies Satin Black for the black areas. The brush I used was an Army Painter Regiment brush. Once the black was dry, I used Valerio Shifter Green Blue Violet. Using a cheap airbrush from Amazon, I sprayed the coat lightly and evenly. Again, using a hairdryer to dry it in between the coats. Next was Electric Blue Intense Violet, again using thin light coats. A hairdryer was used to dry this coat ready for the next. Next was the electric blue intense violet, again using thin light coats. This colour is quite intense but great for adding depth. The purple was a bit too fierce for the effect I was after, so I went back to green, blue, violet. I then masked off the edges to paint the back of the bust. To me, a flat black was used to paint the back of the bust, giving it a more darker effect. For the base of the skin tone, I used Monument Hobby's Advanced Flesh Tone. I gave his skin a light coat of elf flesh, which was not recorded for some reason. Quick dry off the hairbrush. I then moved on to a dry brush of tan flesh by Monument Hobbies. Using the airbrush, I gently sprayed a brown wash from AK Interactive into the recess. Next, I used Monument's Hobbies Satin Black to repaint the jaw and chin armour to tidy it all up. For the base, I use a dry brush technique with Monument Hobbies Bronze. I use Valero Chrome for lettering on the base. The last step was to use a dark grey panel liner from Tamiya, allowing the detailed parts to stand out. I used AK odorless thinner with a cotton bud to remove any excess from the model. That brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this paint up. Please forgive the editing of the video. This is the first time I've done it. Please comment, like and subscribe. To all those who have already subscribed, a huge thank you to all of you.